Hey. I'm going to be recreating a t-shirt that I like off of Urban Outfitters. So this is going to be a DIY type of video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. And I'm just going to show you a picture of the shirt that I chose to do. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is a white plain shirt. I have a men's medium. Then we're gonna need 15 tea bags. Okay. So then next, boil some hot water and put the tea bags in the t-shirt. And also some black paint and a little paintbrush. Next, you're gonna put the 15 tea bags into a bowl with your shirt, just like that. And then we are going to pour boiling water into the bowl. Then we're just going to steep that for, I don't know, a couple hours. We'll just see what happens. Just gonna kind of mix it in. And what we're trying to do is kind of go for the same color as the shirt, the tiger shirt the tiger shirt that I showed you from Urban Outfitters. I'm trying to get the same color using tea bags. So let's see how that goes, and we'll check back in a bit to see what the shirt looks like. So now we're just going to squeeze the tea out of here, and I'm just going to rinse the shirt in cold water and get rid of this. So I just put some clean water into the bowl, and it's already seeping out more of the tea stain. Look how pretty that is with the sun going through the shirt. I'm gonna back the camera up a bit. Okay, we're just going to squeeze out the liquid. See what it looks like. So this is what the shirt looks like so far. It kind of has a tie-dye tee effect to it.
Okay, Mom.
Kind of cool.
Whoa, that's cool.
So now I'm just going to take this shirt and throw it in the wash and then dry it, and then we'll get to making the graphics on the shirt next. I just pulled the shirt out of the dryer, and this is what it looks like. I don't know, tea's pretty good. It gives that like grungy tie-dye looking. I think because I didn't stir the tea crazily, maybe some folds got not dyed as properly. But I think it looks cool, even if like I did just a basic shirt like this and I don't know, deconstructed a bit, like kind of made it like really wore down looking, like you see in lots of stores that cost way too much money. But anyways, even the tag looks kind of cool. So I'm gonna take this shirt and I'm gonna start working on the graphic design that's on it. So let's get to it. I forgot to say that to stick a piece of paper through the shirt just so the paint doesn't stick through the other side. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to really water down the black, so it's not going to be like super thick paint. Wow, this is acrylic paint. And I'll just go over it as I need to. I don't know if I'm going to do because on the shirt there's 3 tigers, I might just do 2 tigers. We'll see how long this takes. So I'm basically feeling like anytime I do a DIY, what did I get myself into? I've been doing this for over an hour and I'm just like slightly there. I got all the little bit of outlines, and now I'm starting to fill it in with the darker outline. Here, I'll show you. So this is what we have so far. And this is only the first tiger. I still gotta put another tiger right here. And it's already late in the day. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do one tiger or just keep going and doing two. But I need to take like a little tiny break, and we're gonna get back to this in a bit. Apparently you need to take the cork off this. Just a little coffee break. I'm gonna go outside for a minute and then get back to this shirt. What do you guys think? The shirt is all dry and good. It worked out really good. I'm really proud of it. Only thing I did mess up though is when I was looking at the pictures to like kind of recreate like model shots with the video, I realized that the tiger print was on the back of the shirt and I only did the front. And also, like I think I've said before, there's supposed to be like 3 tigers, but I just did 2 tigers. I don't know. I think it worked out really well. I think I might do other t-shirt designs, maybe even do more simple designs as well. I did have a couple other choices that I was going to do for this video, but I finally just chose this one. So I don't know, maybe in the future you'll maybe see me do more shirts, or I don't know, maybe I'll just mention it, be like, hey, I did another shirt. Don't mind my crazy hair. This is day 3 of me doing videos every week. My first video was a vlog, second was an IKEA haul, and now today is the DIY Urban Outfitters shirt. So I'm happy if you have seen every video. If you haven't, go check that out. I'll link the videos down below. What else? Subscribe if you are watching this. A lot of people aren't subscribed who watch this, so do that. Like, comment. I like to see what you guys think of my videos. Any tips, anything you'd like to see, just let me know. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow because it'll be day 4 of my video week. So see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by again. Bye.